Okay, here we have the newest arrival. I got it out of the box yesterday just to make sure that it was actually in one piece. I mean, when FedEx drops things off, you gotta kind of wonder sometimes. So, let me pull it out of the bag for you. So, there we are. This is a Singer 216G. I paid more than I wanted for it, and after I bought it, I wound up realizing that I'm gonna have to resell. It's just not in my plans anymore. Uh, it is not actually tight. The controls move if you put enough pressure on them. I don't want to do that right now. Okay, there we go. Black bobbin thread, no stop thread. It looks like it's a little bit tight. I think that once she's sewed for a while, she'll loosen up some. But yeah, at this point, I should probably stop putting any more time into it, get it listed, see what happens. If I can't sell this as it sits for 150, I will be extremely surprised. It does need additional cleanup. I hit it with a black light and the shellac coat is still on there, with the exception of a couple of bits down here in between the decals. So if you wanted to do a French polish, You could bring it back to really spiffy appearance. I'll be selling it with a couple of bobbins and the bobbin holder. I use Gutterman Mara 100 thread as kind of a standard for testing things. So we'll have to see how that goes. The base has a chain if you open it, but it looks like it's kind of overbalanced at the moment. So yeah, I would expect that to tip back. It's not a big deal. You do have to flip it open like this in order to pull the bobbin case. The base looks like it has been rodent gnawed. There are chips and the beginning of a few rust bubbles under the paint surface. As near as I can figure, this machine was made in Germany in 1950 to 53. There are no references for the serial numbers from there that I'm aware of, but I know around 53 they shifted to a more rectangular pattern 216G, and these were originally produced by Hayden New before Singer bought them out. So it's actually a German designed machine that was sold under the Singer label as a bridge to them coming up to speed on producing the Singer model line. I could sit here and go on with this thing for ages, basically, but what it comes down to is you either want something that's more or less a one-of-a-kind item, or you don't. And if you don't, the best sales pitch I can give isn't going to move you. If you do, I'm just babbling to myself because you've already made up your mind. So, I guess I'll edit this and get it up on YouTube and the other social media and pull a few still pictures out and use those on eBay and Etsy, and we'll see where it goes from there.